In this video, we're gonna see top 5 side hustle for beginner. This side hustle best from active income to all the way to the passive income. So you can put a work and you can make money and all the way to passive income. You don't need to do anything, but you get paid for this. Watch till end and find out what the side hustle is. Without any further ado, the first side hustle we're gonna use to make money is called folk.com/photographer. Just take up your phone and click some awesome photo, and you can upload this photo and you can get paid. It's easy, is some side hustle, and you can get make extra money with your photos and videos, and this is how it's gonna work. Simply upload your photos and videos and earn cash. When a brand approach this company, they buy a photo or video from you and you can get paid. And the share profit was 50-50. You can easily get paid some good amount of money with this uploading lots of photos in this website. You can do it over and over again. This best part is about this website is it's available worldwide. Doesn't matter where are you from, and you can upload your photos or video from wherever you want. Like I said before, it's available worldwide, and this company and these creators are making millions of dollars by just posting simple photograph like a sunset photograph, sunrise photograph, or ocean, or anything, or homemade photograph. It's depend on your creativity. If you have creativity, you can just turn your normal pencil into a super duper professional art. This all depend on your creativity. Like I said before, easily you can get, and there is also app available for this on App Store and Google Play Store. And this is the App Store app look like, and you can get this app from App Store, and you can start and create your account and start to upload your photo. Simple app like Instagram. You can upload your photo. Once you get bought by companies or any other individual, you can get profit, and this profit shared by this company 50-50 ratio. Simple as you think, and it got almost a 4.5. This is the best review in App Store, because this app getting 4.5, it's almost impossible to getting this kind of review in App Store, because people love this app. People are making good amount of money with this app because this app is legit. If you have a good PayPal account or bank account, you can connect those account into this app, and you can get your money via those gateways. And this is the app in Google Play Store for Android users, and this is a simple app like Android 3.4 font. This is not that great, but it's paid, so it's a great app. And this is the first side hustle. This type of side hustle, you put little bit of work and you can make money. So if you want all the way to passive income, so watch till end and find out two website of passive income. I show the two website for passive income. Second website is called validately.com. This is simple and highly paid survey website. I know survey is most boring way to make money and most irritating way to make money, but survey is the one of the best way to get started in online business, because you can get money easily just clicking some buttons, and it's available easily. And this is the companies working with Validately: Google, Amazon, Microsoft. This is the top names in the game. And this is how does it work. First you need to sign up. Just click in here, and we'll ask you some basic questions and start taking task. Once you get a task, you can finish this task and you can get paid. This task is purely based on true cash. It's not like any pointing system. You get $1,000, then only you can get a $1. It's not like that. It's truly real hard cold cash. If you finish a one survey question, you can get a $2 or even $5. But this website has one little feature. I highly recommend that you can do that feature and you can make money. That feature is affiliate marketing. You can easily get paid by just affiliate your friend or recommended this app to your friend. Easily you can make money. Click start making money. It's automatically to take you to the sign up process where you can put your email and just to fill out some little bit of question about yourself, where you're from, something like that, and you can get paid as a tester. So simple. And the second, and you can do a little bit of money, but you can get paid some good amount of money with this validate survey site. The third one is called future point. Future point is also kinda like a BTC site, but there is lots of a future point, and you can get paid via Bitcoin. We already uploaded Bitcoin, how the Bitcoin is, and you can, if you hold a Bitcoin, you can make a millions, not even millions, or thousands of hundreds of dollars. You can use this website or other website as shown in the previous video. You can combine this website and you can get a Bitcoin. This website also feature a Bitcoin that is called a future point. And like I said, this is like a service site, playing games, watching videos, and get paid and earn cash. There is a lots of way to you can withdraw your money, like Gap, GameStop, PayPal, Microsoft, Sephora, Macy's, Amazon gift card, lots of Google gift card, get paid, and you can get your money by just downloading simple apps. You get 25 to 50 points. Downloading easily Instagram, Clash of Clans. You can get points by just downloading apps, and you can easily get redeem your points for awesome choosable reward. Like I said before, PayPal, Amazon, App Store, PlayStation, Xbox, Bitcoin. This is if you want. You get your money via Bitcoin, and you can get paid for the for holding a Bitcoin for a little bit of time. And start this website now. You can just come out to this and put your email, and you can click a sign up and just fill out your username, password, and verify your email, and you can good to go. And there is also app available for both Android and iOS. You can install those app and you can get paid for this. This is the Apple App Store. Look like I said before, it got 4.3. This is the highest rating in App Store. 4.4, because this apps you can make some good amount of money on this apps also as a affiliate marketing. You can recommend this app to your friends or recommend this video to your friends. You can get some good amount of affiliate income by just recommending this video to your friend. So don't forget to share with your friends and family for get paid. And this is the Play Store apps look like. Simple, and it's got 4.0 review out of 5. And this fourth website is a passive website. You can get paid by just passively. You can do it nothing and you can get paid. It's kind of bit like a passive, but not kind of passive. You just need a little bit of work. It's not like any putting click, nothing like that. It's daily work you need to do. You can do it daily. You can already doing it daily. And the fourth website is called Lifecoin.ai. Some of you probably know what this website is. For don't know this website, you can getting paid for walking. Redeem your points for amazing prices like iPhone X. It's not iPhone X now. iPhone 12 Pro, $100 PayPal gift, Spark demo, Amazon gift card, AirPods, iTunes gift card. Some lots of gift card opportunity available for just walking, and turn daily walks into a mining section. Like I said, you can walk and you can get paid for simple walking. There is a lots of community with this app, and you can compare your statics with other people, and you can motivate yourself. There is a lots of option available. You can just easily getting paid for working and making some good friends with this life connect. Like I said before, there is lots of people in this app, and they are sharing their statics, and you can compare the statics with yours, and you can interact with people, and you can make them friends. And like I said before, just to come out of this and click this app, because you can sign directly from website. You need an app to sign up. Just to download either one of this app from Play Store or from App Store. And this is the app look like in App Store. It got 4.7, and this is the most highest rating in this video because the folk website got only 5.7, but the Lifecoin got 4.7 because this is extremely wonderful app for making money without doing nothing, kind of nothing, and you can get paid for some good amount of money, and you can interact with lots of number around the globe. And this is the Android version of app look like. It got 3.5, pretty good, but not that great compared to the Apple. And the last and final website is the most my favorite website, one of the favorite website. I've been using this website for 1 year, and printing money for me daily. You can do nothing, but there is one downside. It's only available in Android. If you don't have an Android device, you can't do this method. I think everybody has an Android device, at least a small or little one device, and need your one number, one phone number, or any number, whatever it is, and you can getting paid this. The website is called Money SMS App. Simple app. Just install this app on your Android phone, and you can getting paid for. Just leave this app on your phone. Basically, this app send SMS or message to the money you registered in, and you can get paid for this money. Every SMS they send, they pay you 0.02 euros, not dollars, 2 euros. Once you get a 2 euros, you can withdraw your money via PayPal or some other options. Easily you can get paid. I already doing this, and I can easily get paid almost can easily get paid, and this is the main feature. You can do anything. It's only work on Android, like I said before, and this is secure. This app cannot steal your any personal data, so you can easily trust this website and get paid. And you no need to put your personal number, just to put any other number, or just to put secondary number, something like that. You no need to put your personal number for some security reason. If you are afraid, it doesn't matter. And there is, like I said before, this is truly passive. You can get paid for doing nothing, and there is almost referral program, and you can get 30% of your friends or referral of their earning, and it's free. It's completely free app. You no need to pay, no need to pay a fee. It's not something like that. And click a download app, and download this app, and sign up, and put your number, and you can start receiving money. You can get paid. It's a simple app, and you can get paid. And this is the final side hustle. You can get paid for doing nothing. Quick recap: the first side hustle is called folk. Upload your photo and getting paid. And second is called validate link. Fill out your information, click a button, get paid lots of money. Third one is future point. Watch video, download app, fill out a survey, get paid via Bitcoin, and hold the Bitcoin, and wait for a rise in Bitcoin and get paid. Fourth website is kind of like a passive. It's called Lifecoin. Walk around and get paid. Simple and one of the coolest app in the world. Last is called Money SMS. Do nothing, getting paid. Simple. This is the all 5 side hustle for beginner for getting started in online businesses. And if you like this video, share with your friends and family who want to become entrepreneur. And thanks for watching. Make money online. Peace out.